Marcys Law is an effort to provide constitutionally protected rights to victims of crime here in the state of Kentucky.
Marcys Law is constitutional amendment number 1 on your Kentucky ballot. It's named after Marsy Nicholas, a 21-year-old California student who was stalked and killed by her ex-boyfriend in 1983.
While the accused and convicted have numerous rights protected in our state constitution, crime victims have none.
Supporters of the amendment, like Emily Bonistel, have been fighting for Marcys Law in Kentucky for years. If passed, it would provide crime victims with specific constitutional rights, such as the right to be present at trials and notified about the release of the accused.
We are one of only 15 states that does not currently protect rights for crime victims in our Constitution.
Critics include the American Civil Liberties Union of Kentucky. In a release back in February, the ACLU said Marcys Law uses inconsistent and confusing language that would be at odds with Kentuckians' constitutional rights and create significant unintended consequences. There's also debate over another amendment you'll find on your ballot.
This has never been proposed before.
If passed, Amendment number 2 would change the way voters elect some state court officials.
They extend terms of office.
For example, if passed, district court judges would have their term doubled to 8 years, starting in 2022. Commonwealth's attorneys would have term limits increase from 6 years to 8 years, starting in 2030. The amendment would also raise experience requirements for district court candidates.
I think it's good to require more time to practice.
But State Senator Whitney Westerfield says on the whole, the amendment worries him.
And I think we should think twice about giving people 8-year terms in office.
Proponents of the amendment argue it would make terms of office for district judges match that of other judicial positions. Westerfield says it's a convenience that could be harmful.
That's a long time to go without accountability to the voters.
If passed, these amendments would become part of the state's constitution. It would happen as soon as the Kentucky Board of Elections certifies November's election outcome. For WHAS 11, I'm Paula Vasan.